love my brand new Citizen Nighthawk Eco Drive Camo dial watch, but it's a little bit loose. So let's go ahead and remove a couple of these links. First, I'm going to have to see which side I want to remove it on. You want to do it evenly on both sides. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start things off by moving one link on this side. And you have the arrows that goes down, see it? So you want to hammer it down in the orientation like that. One way to easy to remember is the dials. Both sides are different, alright? So let's go ahead and use this nifty little tool to remove the links, alright? By the way, I highly recommend this in BYNIUR 155 pieces watch repair kit. Comes with all the tools and supplies that you need, such as here's the two tools I use to remove the links. Okay, this hammer. All right, so let's go ahead and get back to here. So I'm gonna use this hammer and then one of these tools, pin removal tool, and I am going to line it up. Okay, and then carefully hammer it. You don't want to use too much force though. And gradually you will see it loosening. So a couple more tries and it should be out. And it went all the way through. And don't forget the orientation of the pin, alright? That's where we hammer down. So I'm going to put in this order, top down. Easy to remember. But hold on, we're not done yet because we still have to remove one of these links, okay? So I have to remove this one right here. Another pin. So I'm gonna put the collar in here between the links. Let me go ahead and zoom in on that. Just drop the collar in here. Now if you put it in the wrong direction, it's going to be loose when you put the pin in, which happened to me before. So now I'm getting ready to close out the gap. So you want to make sure you do it at even side. If you want to remove one link, remove the other link on the other side. So now this is my third link for the removal. Okay, so since I dropped the pins, so let me show you. Okay, if you have it in the proper orientation, the pin should be tight. So let me go ahead and hammer down the pin in here. You see how that's very loose? So we know there's something wrong. It shouldn't just drop in so easily. Alright, so I'm going to flip it the other way. See? You see what I'm talking about? You see how that doesn't want to go in? So that's the proper way. So that's what I'm talking about when you have the proper orientation of the pins. Because if you just let it set loose, you're going to lose your watch. You're going to drop it. Alright, so this is where I'm going to hammer it down carefully, because the collar also adds additional protection. Oh man, I screwed up that pin. Yeah, that one. Alright, well, alright, here we go. Alright, and to confirm that it's not loose, see, it doesn't want to push very easily. So now I have it pretty much resized. There you have it. So that's how you resize the watch on Citizen watches, especially the Citizen Nighthawk Eco Drive Camel watch. And it makes life easier having this watch repair kit. Good luck and enjoy a brand new watch.